So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's up, JJLEE Squad? It is your boy Jordan, and I'm back with another video. There's another update. I know it's been a minute. It's been like 3 weeks, but I'm gonna turn this camera around, and y'all gonna see why it's been 3 weeks. Bam! My full kit had just arrived, fully painted and looking beautiful. I already matched it up to the car, perfect match. And now I just pretty much got to choose a good day to install everything. But as y'all can see, look up close, look at the finish. Front bumper, going around, rear bumper. Y'all can see. Flares, looking crispy. There we go. Side skirts, looking good also. You can see, clean, smooth. And that's it, bro. There is one little spot right there, y'all can see. Let me zoom in. Right there. But I'm gonna use some touch-up paint and some clear just to fix it, because this already took too long to get here. So I just wanted to, I'm gonna fix that myself. And pretty much we're gonna have a complete wide body. Like I said, I gotta go, let me show y'all the plans real quick while I'm outside. Show y'all the plans real quick. So as y'all can see, the stripes will be coming off because of course new front bumper, and there will only be stripes here on the top and on the hood. So it's kind of unnecessary to keep the stripes anyway. Plus I want to change it up with it, transform it into a whole new car pretty much. So like I said, the heck is that? Like I said, goodbye stripes. Maybe saying goodbye to the dragon because the flare, hopefully the flare don't clear too much of it. But like I said, the stripes are gonna go by. Maybe the dragon, it may be like a clean, full white wide body. So y'all stay tuned, man. The paint job did take a minute. It did take a minute. It was like almost 3 weeks. That was a little hassle, but so far the work is perfect, honestly. So no complaints. Y'all stay tuned. I'll try to do a good I'm trying to make a good informative video for y'all, honestly. But let me show y'all what I'm gonna be cutting to you real quick. Y'all can see this. I'm probably gonna be cutting about right there. So about right here. So again, I got two, let me see, what is it? I got 275, 45, 20, 245, 45, 20s in the front. So like I'll be cutting pretty much all the way up here to about right there. Straight cutting that, straight cutting that. And I don't care what nobody say, you will have to cut your car to make them so you will not rub, you won't do anything. I already installed the bike crest, just the flares on my friend yellow scat pack. We had to cut. We didn't cut in the first place. We have to go back and cut. So you have to cut so you won't rub. You don't want to put no low profile tires. You don't want to do none of that. You got to cut. I don't care what nobody say, you got to cut, especially if you want to run 305s and up. You got to cut. But that's pretty much the plan. Just wanted to update y'all real quick. Wide body kit is here, installed, coming soon. Stay tuned. And I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, watching, and be ready. It's gonna be a whole new car. I will catch y'all later. Remember, like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. I'm out. And I'm back, JJLEE Squad. Pretty much, I took everything out the wrappers, checked everything. It's pretty, it's Gucci and things. So I'll go ahead. I like to be one step ahead, just in case, you know, we run into something when I'm installing it. Maybe Wednesday, I don't know yet, but so far, this is how we are looking. I got the top grill, bottom grill, vents already installed, all done. So really, we just gotta take the bracket support from the old bumper over here, put them right there. You gotta take that plastic piece, hook that right there, and all we gotta do is slap that baby on, and the front bumper's done. Also, I bought LED side markers, so I'm getting all new side markers for the whole things, and they're LED side markers. Like I said, I got the vents installed, it's on there tight. Looking at everything, the go across of it. There you go. Then I already got the bumper hooked up, the carbon rear diffuser, all snapped in and hooked up, lined up good, crisp and clean. That white on carbon hit different though, bro. But like I said, there we go. I'm just swap my old vents over right here from my old bumper, and then just slap that in. Also, you know, you see there's no parking sensors, right? So I'm gonna lift this baby up real quickie. They got spots for us to drill. Let me put in the light, see that? Let me put that light, there we go. You're gonna drill straight through there to the point. Let me put my finger right here. Gonna drill through there. I'm trying to just give y'all like a little mock-up, you know, so I'm not just going back and forth. But this third parking sensor, fourth parking sensor. There's a little light that goes at the top right here. And yeah, and the other parking sensor is right there. You just pretty much drill a hole big enough for the parking sensor to go through it, and then you glue the sides of it together. But pretty much, the baby is put together, looking good, and all I gotta do is swap over only a few different things. Oh, that baby up. But like I said, it's coming together. I like to be one step ahead, to the point where I don't, if I run into something, I'm not installing it. So I really just gotta snap off the old bumper, put the new one on, do the freaking parking sensors, and that's it. And I just gotta switch the brackets over on the new bumper. That's it. So I'm making it more simpler for me to do the install, and that's it. But I'm gonna pack these in the car whenever it's time for the install date. So y'all stay tuned. This is just a little update, quick little upload for y'all. So you know, just stay tuned, and I will keep y'all updated. Peace.